Welcome to Akutra Design Studio. Today let's clear one of the most common confusions: should you use MDF or plywood while making furniture? Both names come up everywhere, and that's why people often get stuck. So let's break it down in a simple way. What is MDF? MDF stands for Medium Density Fiberboard. It's made by compressing small wooden fibers together. The surface is very smooth, so painting and finishing become easy. And the biggest advantage, it's budget-friendly. But the problem is, it can't handle too much water or heavy weight. If moisture touches it, MDF tends to swell. What is plywood? Plywood is made from real wood layers placed crosswise and glued together. This makes it strong, durable, and capable of handling more weight and moisture compared to MDF. The cost is higher than MDF, but it lasts longer. When to use what? If you want heavy design, carvings, or smooth painted finishes, MDF works best. If you're making kitchen cabinets, bathroom units, wardrobes, or anything long-term, plywood is the safer choice. Just remember the simple formula: MDF is for style, plywood is for strength. That's it. And for more design hacks like this, subscribe to Akutra Design Studio.